If YouTube scrolling is not work in the Chrome browser, don't worry. This problem can usually be fixed with few simple steps. First, try refreshing the YouTube page and check if the scrolling work again. If the problem continues, close Chrome completely and open it again. Next, check your mouse or touchpad if scrolling work to on other website but not on YouTube. The problem may be related to Chrome on extension. You can also try opening YouTube in incognito mode. If scrolling work in incognito mode, a Chrome extension maybe causes the problem. To check your extension, click the three dot in Chrome, select extension and then manage extension. Temporarily turn off your extension, especially ad blocker or YouTube related extension. Then reload YouTube and text scrolling again. Another useful solution, update your Chrome. Click three dot in Chrome, then click settings. Click about Chrome. Wait for update, then click relaunch. After complete update, then check again scroll is working. The problem continues, then reset your Chrome settings. After resetting, your problem will be solved. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.